If you're a short person, finding a decent exercise bike can be daunting. The problem with them is that they are usually designed with the average person in mind, so every person who does not fit into that category is left to fend for themselves. Meanwhile, exercising on a bike that is not suited for your body can not only be ineffective but also dangerous. In this video, we're going to look at the top 5 best indoor cycling bike for short person available on the market today. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. Number 1. Exerpeutic Folding Exercise Bike. The Exerpeutic Folding Exercise Bike is perfect for heavier short people, with a weight capacity of 136/300 ounces with a robust steel frame. However, this means that it is heavier than most other exercise bikes on our list, making it harder to move around. Although the aid of the built-in wheels definitely helps in maneuvering the exercise bike. Standard features like built-in hand pulse sensors on a typical LCD screen, tracking calories, speed, distance, and time. The tracking console requires 2 double batteries. An added bonus is the extremely adjustable seat, making it easy for people shorter than 4'10" to exercise on this bike with ease. All in all, a strong, robust exercise bike for the heavier person. Pros: weight capacity is excellent. Offers great adjustability for short people. 8-level resistance mechanism. Exceptional for the price point. Cons: heavy to maneuver. Number 2. XTERRA Fitness Folding Exercise Bike. The XTERRA F150 is an easy, convenient, accessible exercise bike for short people. This exercise bike has been the market leader for shorter people for years, as it supports anyone shorter than 5 feet to exercise and was one of the first to be designed with short people in mind. With a weight capacity of 102/220 phillips and the bike itself only weighing 14/30, this bike is effortless to maneuver, so it is ideal for people who wish to move the bike around, whether outside or in their living room. Nothing special with the features. Built-in hand pulse sensors, LCD screen, tracking calories, speed, distance, and heart rate. The tracking console requires 2 double batteries. Another key talking point is the adjustable seat. Not only does it support shorter people, but it's also large and comfortable. All in all, a great exercise bike for the shorter person who doesn't want to break the bank. Pros: small and lightweight. Offers great adjustability for short people. 8-level resistance mechanism. Cheap and has that bang for the buck factor. Cons: no backrest. Number 3. Marcy Foldable Upright Exercise Bike. The Marcy exercise bike offers the most value for money on our list with its reputable brand and excellent dimension/features. The weight capacity is 110/240, which is stable for most overweight, short people. Another standout feature is its foldable aspect. Like the others on our list, it folds at the base. However, this exercise bike folds into a shape that can be easily stored in a closet and takes up less space than others on this list. Features are much more reliable and less standardized on this exercise bike. The hand pulse sensors and the metrics tracked are much more accurate due to the quality of the control panel, tracking calories burned, speed, time, distance, and heartbeat using 2 triple batteries. The seat can be adjusted to support users of 5 feet and above with a standard seat shape. Overall, due to the quality and superior features, this is the most value for money a short person can get for an exercise bike. Pros: offers okay support for shorter people. Superior features for the price point. Comes in black and white. Cons: no mobile holder. Number 4. YYFITT 2-in-1 Folding Exercise Bike. The YYFITT 2-in-1 Folding Exercise Bike offers the most support while cycling to ensure maximum comfort and support for heavier users. With a weight capacity of 120/260 phillips, it can easily support heavier people, along with its solid structure composed of solid steel. This exercise bike, unlike others on this list, comes with a 16-level resistance mechanism that can challenge all levels of cyclists. The features are immense, with a modern-day LCD control panel that tracks your vitals like burner calories, speed, time, and even what type of workout you're doing. The 2-in-1 feature is the built-in resistance bands that can be used to engage your upper body while cycling. A talking point is its backrest, which sets it apart in terms of support and comfort from the other exercise bikes, not to mention how adjustable the seat is for shorter people. Pros: offers great adjustability for short people. Backrest offers an outstanding level of comfort. Resistance bands included. Cons: on the pricey side compared to the others on the list. Number 5. Folding exercise bikes. DISPANK 1X bike indoor portable exercise bikes. The DISPANK 3-in-1 exercise bike offers the most versatility as it has a combination of everything you would want/expect from an exercise bike. The weight capacity is 150/300 making it a viable option for even the heavier overweight people, supported again by a solid steel frame. This exercise bike utilizes a 3-in-1 system that consists of resistance bands, stationary bike, while being a semi-recumbent exercise bike when adjusted. The features are also a highlight of this exercise bike, with a big LCD screen that tracks pulse speed, distance time, and calories burned, along with a tablet/smartphone holder inbuilt. The added backrest and handles take that comfort box for me. Finally, this exercise bike is great for short people, offering a solid, easily adjustable all-around structure with added comforts and features to improve your experience. Pros: backrest and handles are a great touch. Resistance bands included. Sleek design. Excellent LCD display. Cons: on the pricey side compared to the others on the list. Look for the link in the description box below. If there is another product on the market or you found one worth your purchase, let us know in the comment section. If you would like to see a future review, also subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon so you'll know when we upload new videos. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time on the channel.